Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video I built a brick gable. I'm gonna show you how I did it, but before we jump into the video, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed yet. In this video I'm gonna go over how to set up your flashing, how to set up your weeping plastic. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video and show you guys how I build a brick gable. So here we install our flashing or weeping plastic or Tyvek, and as you see there we have our tape. So now we're gonna start to build our lead here and then go back and build another lead down there as well, and then we're gonna carry on with our wall. We want to start our first course. I'm going to put a brick just like this for our tester. You're going to bring this one over here. And we're going to work from here, go back. I like to use my level every 4 feet. As you see here, it's almost 4 feet, 5 brick. I put my level and then I carry on, even if the wall is longer than 4 feet. So now we're gonna put our line just like, or a trowel just like this, and we know this is where we're gonna start our first brick. We're gonna line it up with the bottom one that's already laid. About 5 brick. We're gonna put our level now. Now we're gonna plumb it. The reason why I wait till 3 brick, because if you need to go in or come out, I can push my trowel behind it and pluck it out. Or if you want to go in, I can easily push it in. So right there is where it comes. So from now on, we're just gonna plumb each post as we go. So we're gonna put some brick ties now, guys. Make sure we have it secure and nice, tied to the wall properly. Finish, guys. You want to run your level like this, make sure everything is nice and straight.
Eh?
See how much clothes they have on?
No, sir. That's one thing that I told you.
Right here because this is gonna be our working code. This is a weeping hole here. Right here is a weeping hole, guys. Yo! Weeping hole here again. So we're trying to place them every 3 brick as we go. It been small, more, you know man, you want a big mix man. On the inner side, because they want to go on here to walk. Yeah, like, you can put up whichever one still, but they want the kind of in your way. Just take time because we don't want to talk now. But look at the judges. I heard for them feeling. Say that 350 now. 350, yeah. Guys, hope you get value from this video. If you do get value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And if you watch the video till the end, I want to say thank you, and thank you guys for your support as always. Be safe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.